Transferring your domain doesn't have to be scary. At CyberGrapes, we make it simple, safe, and stress-free. First, the big myth. Transferring your domain does not break your email. It only moves the registration record to a new home. Before you start, write down your DNS and MX records. Identify your email host, and make sure your domain is unlocked. Once you initiate the transfer, it typically takes 5 to 7 days to complete. Your website and email stay live the whole time. When you move to CyberGrapes, you get free privacy protection forever. No hidden fees, just total peace of mind for your brand. After the transfer, we're here to help you grow with professional email, reliable WordPress hosting, and top-tier website security. CyberGrapes is the friendly web company for small businesses, churches, and nonprofits. We handle the tech so you can focus on your mission. Ready to make the move? Transfer your domain today at transfer.cybergrapes.com. We can't wait to welcome you.